Hey there, this is Heidi from Create with Heidi, and today I'm going to show you how to make a funny bathroom sign utilizing my standard tack cutting mat, weeding pen, and gold and black vinyl from the economical line. I'm going to use my paper trimmer to cut my vinyl to the size of pieces that I want my vinyl to be, so that I don't have to maneuver the whole roll of vinyl while trying to cut. Okay, now that I have my material prepped, I'm going to get my extra materials out of the way and get ready to start cutting my design. I removed the protectant film from my cutting mat, and now I am putting my vinyl on my mat. Okay, now that that's done cutting, I'm going to flip my mat over and roll my mat away from the vinyl. This helps protect the vinyl from creasing and ripping. I'm going to put my protectant back on my cutting mat and move my machine out of the way so we have more space to work on this project. Now it's time to weed my vinyl. Weeding is when you remove the excess material that you won't be using for the project. Okay, my weeding is done. I am going to now get red grid transfer tape, and I am going to put my design together, starting with the stars that are my rating system. I am going to pick up the top layer first. I am using my scraper to transfer those stars over to that transfer tape. And then I am going to put those over top of the gold stars, which is the bottom layer, so that I can easily put this part of the design on my wooden sign at the same time. When I transfer vinyl to transfer tape, I'll always do a quick run over the top side and then I flip it over and I scrape over the back side multiple times, because what this does is it essentially pushes the vinyl off of the vinyl backing and onto the transfer tape. After scraping the vinyl onto that wooden sign, I can pull off that transfer tape and that piece is done. Now I am going to use that same transfer tape and pick up the second part of the design and apply it to my sign next. Okay, here is my finished design. I hope you enjoyed this video.